In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make this delicious coconut jollof rice with mackerel fish. Keep watching as I take you guys along. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this coconut jollof rice. It's going to be a very quick recipe for dinner for us. I have all my ingredients right there. I'm going to be using coconut oil. Okay, as you can see, I'm adding my coconut oil in the pan, in the pot. I'll allow it to melt. Then after that, I'm going to add in my onions. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of thyme. I'll stir together. Then I'm going to add in my shrimps. Then I will fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll add in my Knorr seasoning. I'm going to add in about half spoon of Knorr seasoning. Then I will stir together. I'll fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and add my blended pepper. In my blended pepper, I have 1 bell pepper, 1 diced tomatoes, 1 onions, and 2 habanero pepper. I blended everything together. Now I just pour it inside the oil. Then I'm giving it a quick stir. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to pour in my coconut milk. I have 2 cans of coconut milk. I'm going to add in the other one. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Please consider subscribing before the end of the video, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, share this video. Right now I'm adding curry powder. Add about 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Then I'm going to add another Knorr seasoning, about 1 teaspoon of Knorr seasoning. Then I'm going to add in salt also. I'm adding in my pink salt, about 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to stir everything together. Then I will cover, allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to cover it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes later. Now I'm going to add in my rice. I have 4 cups of rice. Okay, I've already washed my rice with hot water. I'm just going to pour it inside the sauce. Then I'll give it a stir. I'll stir it up together. I'll stir it up together. Then I'm going to add in my mackerel fish. Okay, I have my smoked mackerel. I did this on the oven. I smoked the mackerel with the oven. I'm going to add it inside the rice. Then I'll stir it a little bit. Then I'll allow it to cook. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for the water to be dry a little bit. This is about like 10 minutes later. The water is halfway dry, but not that dry. The rice is not that ready. I'm just going to stir a little bit, and I'm going to taste to see if the seasoning is enough. If not, I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. Adding a little bit of salt. Let's give a quick stir. Then what I'm going to do, I have egg also. I'm just going to throw in my egg into it. I'm just going to add my egg. Then I'm going to add some onions. I'm just going to put some onions that I sliced onions. I'm just going to use it to cover it up. Then I will cover it, allow it to cook till the rice is ready. This recipe is very easy, it's very simple, and it tastes so yummy and delicious. Thank you so much guys for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for sharing heart. I really appreciate every one of you for the love, for the support, for everything that you guys are doing to help my channel grow. I love you guys. Now the rice is ready, as you can see. I'm just going to stir everything together. Guys, this recipe was so yummy. It was so delicious. The coconut oil gave it amazing taste. That's it guys. Our rice is ready. Food is ready. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Thank you so much for the love. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next recipe, in my next video. Bye bye everyone. Stay safe and stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.